Are you looking to shed those stubborn belly pounds while you sleep? In today's video, we'll explore the incredible world of drinks that can help burn belly fat naturally before bedtime. Imagine sipping on a delicious beverage that not only satisfies your cravings but also boosts your metabolism overnight. We'll discuss the benefits of specific drinks that promote fat burning, improve digestion, and enhance your overall health. Plus, we'll share some easy-to-make recipes that you can whip up in no time. So, if you're ready to discover how simple nighttime drinks can transform your body, stay tuned. Your journey to a flatter belly starts here. Belly fat, often referred to as abdominal fat, comes in two main types: subcutaneous and visceral. Subcutaneous fat lies just beneath the skin, while visceral fat surrounds your internal organs. While some belly fat is normal, excess amounts can pose serious health risks. Research links high levels of visceral fat to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. This is why addressing belly fat is crucial for your overall well-being. Not only does it affect your physical appearance, but it can also impact your long-term health. By understanding belly fat and its implications, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle and a happier you. During sleep, your body undergoes vital metabolic processes that can aid in fat burning. While you rest, your metabolism continues to function, breaking down stored fat for energy. Certain nighttime drinks can enhance this process, thanks to specific ingredients like green tea, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. These components are known to boost metabolism, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote fat oxidation. Research supports the effectiveness of these drinks. For instance, a study found that green tea extract can increase fat burning during sleep. By incorporating these beverages into your nighttime routine, you can harness the power of your body's natural processes to help reduce belly fat effectively. If you're looking to burn belly fat while you sleep, here are 3 top drinks to consider. First, chamomile tea is not only calming but also helps reduce stress hormones that can lead to weight gain. Simply steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes. Next, try apple cider vinegar mixed with water. Combine 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. This drink can help regulate blood sugar and curb cravings. Lastly, warm lemon water is refreshing and detoxifying. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water. This drink aids digestion and boosts metabolism. Incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine can support your fat-burning goals. To maximize the benefits of these fat-burning drinks, timing is key. Aim to consume them about 30 minutes before bedtime to allow your body to absorb their nutrients effectively. For portion sizes, stick to 8 ounces for chamomile tea and warm lemon water, while 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water is ideal. It's best to enjoy these drinks 3 to 4 times a week, rather than every night, to prevent any digestive discomfort. Additionally, pair these beverages with healthy lifestyle choices, such as balanced meals and regular exercise, to enhance their fat-burning effects. Small changes can lead to significant results in your journey to a flatter belly. While these nighttime drinks can be beneficial, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. For instance, apple cider vinegar can cause digestive discomfort or throat irritation if consumed in excess, so moderation is key. It's best to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. Additionally, some individuals may be sensitive to caffeine in chamomile tea, which can disrupt sleep if consumed too close to bedtime. Always listen to your body and adjust accordingly. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating these drinks into your routine. Prioritizing your health ensures a safe and effective approach. In summary, incorporating specific beverages like chamomile tea, apple cider vinegar, and warm lemon water into your nightly routine can significantly aid in burning belly fat while you sleep. These drinks not only boost metabolism but also promote better digestion and overall health. Remember, a holistic approach combining these drinks with balanced nutrition and regular exercise is essential for effective weight management. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on healthy living. Like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you.